Beanie's down here eating her good food that she gets every once in a while, some wet food. And I just reorganized over here. I took those vertical little cube stands from Dollar General that were only like $24 each, and I put them sideways and made a little cubby area, mostly for shoes eventually, for shoes and other stuff. And now it has food just because I had some extra stocked up food. And then now there's kind of a coat rack area right above it, and a place for a basket or two down there and different things. So it's kind of a cool little entryway thing I made. And then I put that rack over there in that corner, just with some kitchen stuff on it and some cold medicine and stuff because I'm still sick. I've been sick for like a week. And the cabin is different laid out. I have the TV over there by the door. And then I have the couch over here on the back wall and the carpet in the middle. So it kind of gives more room. Some presents up there for my niece for Christmas. And we finally have rain on the way right now. Watch out, Beanie. Watch your tail. Beanie, watch out, honey. Good girl. We have rain on the way any minute, actually. It was supposed to be like 4 a.m. and it shows now that it's coming like any minute. And we're supposed to have lots of rain all day. And then a couple days maybe without rain, a couple days without rain. And then I think Thursday shows rain and snow. Friday showed snow. Saturday, Sunday, rain, possibly snow with colder temperatures. And then, so Saturday, Sunday, rain, possibly snow. But then it shows Monday, not tomorrow, but the next week. Monday and all that week, like every day it shows rain and snow and cold temperatures, even like 31. And we've had snow at 38 before. So this is going to be amazing. We're going to have oh, excuse me. Sorry. I was trying to make some spicy food to help with my sore throat. That's making me burp. Anyway, so hopefully we'll have tons of great snow, and I'll get some drone footage and ride around on the quad and make some videos in the snow. It'll be so nice. And we need the rain. We had a bunch of rain, like I said before, and then it kind of died off for a long time. We've had a lot of mist, fog coming in, and everything's still kind of wet every morning. But the snow will be amazing. We need the snowpack. So I cannot wait for that. I just hope I can get rid of this sickness. I've been sick for a week now. And now it's been the sore throat. That's the worst. I'm wondering if I have strep throat or something. Hopefully I can treat it on my own. I have lots of medicines to take and stuff, and healthy stuff, natural stuff to take. Beanie's in there meowing, even though I gave her some food, because she loves to just meow, meow, meow when I'm trying to make a video. And she's still meowing because I went outside without her. Guess we can go see her. Beanie, you're silly. I gave you your favorite food. You don't get that often. And you still were meowing because I was out there. Or because I was making a video, huh? Yeah. Go eat your food, honey. I love you, Beanie. Say hi to everybody. Everybody loves you, Beanie. Are we going to go play in the snow when it comes, Beanie? I love you, Beanie. Are we going to play in the snow? Beanie, are we going to play in the snow? Okay, say bye, everybody. Bye, Beanie. Bye, everybody. Bye, Beanie. Beanie, I love you. Bye-bye. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little update. I'm still sick, and we have snow on the way, and I cannot wait. And Christmas is on the way, of course. We're so close. It's crazy. I don't know where the time's going. Beanie, you're silly. I love you. So I hope you guys have a good few days until I talk to you again. Bye.